So guys, after I had burned that first fire up there, so I was going to burn a second fire, but there was some lump of twigs and such right in this section, but I decided I'm not going to do that. So what I did was I took them up and I banked them to the side, to the edging of the ground, so I can come back another day and I can burn out these, and hopefully I get the loader to push down the section so I can get some air in the ground. So guys, that's what I have done. So me do you know it's about 8:30. Me I walk over here, so them boy there, them simple tap call them boy. Me I walk over there, guys. I know them a chop grass and something for me, so me I go look for what them a do. So see, there's my banky up. So this is my sister section over here. So now she get it burnt, so I just go with them and look after. Hey Bobby, one vehicle come over here, man. You know see? He right there to check so you see it. Two wheeling. Yeah man, one vehicle come over here. See, even the hose, he pressed on the hose and something. Hey, see V come out, check there. I got a captain by water. So that's my brother up there, so now. And this is my cousin. Let's see what them do. So, in claim say them cut grass for morning. That's all they do, guys, is argue. All they do is argue. Every day, all day, them argue. See them there. What man, what kind of meat can you have? Insure which part? You better watch yourself. They take time and go on. Insurance. People are... If you don't want to be bat, not be rat. You hear them? You hear them up there? All they do is argue. They don't get any work done. All them do is argue. Yes guys, so right now there's lots of work over here to be done. I'm telling you, a lot of money to be spending. All them trees, I'll get rid of them, man. Hopefully by next week I'll be over here showing you guys the loader pushing down all of these, because I need this to be done. So I may have some more bush we go creep up, some more twigs and such we go creep up, and some. I think I'm gonna burn a fire right there at the pimento tree, and I'm gonna burn one right down there at the thatch tree. Yeah, so guys, before I had to go and get some thatch, some dry thatch to light the fire. I tell you, my face is a squinch off, you see? Oh god. And then the sun is so hot, yo.